This tutorial will teach you how to edit the style, size, and color of the text in your family history project. First, create a new project or open the project that you'd like to edit. If you're working on a photo book, you'll want to click on this Edit button, which will take you to the editor. If you're working on a poster, you'll have edit access immediately. This demonstration will continue in the poster editor, but all of these tips and tricks will work in the book editor as well. Begin by selecting the text you'd like to edit. It will be surrounded by a blue box. To edit any text on your page, you will want to use the tools in the top white toolbar. To update the style of your font, click on the font name in the top toolbar and choose the style of font you'd like to use. If you'd like to bold, italicize, or bold italicize text, you must select that font style. There is not a bold or italicize button like you would find in a word processing program. To increase or decrease font size, use your mouse to click the arrow keys to the right of the number box. You can see here my font size is increasing or decreasing depending on what I choose. To change font color, click the A button in the toolbar and select a color from the predetermined choices, or use your mouse to click and move the color faders to customize a color from the color menu. Finally, to align your content, click the left, center, or right alignment icons in the top white toolbar.